What's up, everybody? So what are we gonna do today?
Bought a little $20 spoiler off another Lincoln.
$20? That's the same price he had it for?
Huh?
How much did he had it for?
He had it for 50.
50? I think I told him 21s and he said yeah, and I said it to your uncle and he never wanted to buy it. Well, anyways, we're gonna install that Celine spoiler. Now I don't even know what kind of spoiler it is. Do you even know what the name on it?
It's OEM.
It's OEM?
Well, that's
so
OEM.
It comes on these Lincoln LS's?
Only some of them have it. Not all.
Yeah. Probably a stick shift one.
I think so. I think it was a V6, so probably.
Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, we're gonna install that. Nice ass spoiler.
Right.
We're gonna paint it black with some Rust-Oleum. 3 tape because he doesn't want to make no holes on it. And I got some clear coat right here for it. So we're gonna sand it down.
The what?
And then
I don't know.
we're gonna paint it.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna install it. He's over there being a wet boy.
Okay, boss.
That's a new project for the channel, which I will introduce pretty soon. It's pretty ugly right now.
Well, if it's gonna be this video goes after.
I'm gonna introduce it.
Huh?
I'm gonna introduce it. I'm not gonna do the other video.
What?
Yeah. So, anyways, that's a new project over there.
What do you consider this, a 3-piece?
3-piece. Yeah, it's a 3-piece.
Do we have to? The color was pretty.
Okay, we just need to send it down with the finest we have somewhere. It's somewhere here.
It's not this one, is it?
Anyways, no, that one's like fucking rough. But yeah, let me look. Anyways, we're gonna send it down with some 1,000. Then we're gonna go with some 2,000. Nah, we're gonna do it. All right, serious video now. The edit. That's the good thing about editing. We're gonna do it with the 1,000, then the 2,000, then the 3,000, and then we're gonna try to paint it. Tecato Motorsport style.
Oh, I think that would just take them back.
So let's do that. Hey, it was painted the car color?
Yeah, that's the color of the
legit,
car.
huh?
Yeah, it's off the car. Like we took it off there.
Cool. Well, anyways, first we're gonna take off all this glue, all this double-sided tape, and then we're gonna send it down. It's cool. It's gonna look pretty sick. And then we're gonna paint the ceiling one. I think we have enough paint.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyways, we'll do that. Right, I took out the glue on this one and kind of like stuck under just a little sneak peek. I don't even know if anybody knows what model this little spoiler thingy look alike, whatever comes on. Cause this one's a Lincoln LSV8. It's pretty slow. No tags. And taking off this glue, this old double-sided tape, so we can put it back on. And this one kind of stuck on there, and my nephew's all scared that it wouldn't even stick like with the new one, and this one's already sticking, not even new. But yeah, we're just gonna finish taking off this one because he's over there finished with that one almost. Look at that. It was like this, all ugly, like that. Now it's a little bit better. Clean it up a little bit more, put some new double-sided tape, slap it on. Oh no, wait, we're gonna paint it first.
Sand it.
Yeah, sand it.
Do you have to sand it?
I don't know. Probably send it with the 3,000. But yeah, let's do that. Don't worry, I'll edit it out when I give it a little time lapse, you know?
Why haven't you bought a what's this thing called for the phones?
You already ran it over, that's why you should probably run over the new ones.
The
Understand?
tripod, yeah.
I had one.
Yeah, the big ass one, huh?
Yeah, but she ran it over. So
How?
I don't want you to be a YouTuber. She fucking ran it. Nah, turned it over by accident.
Oh.
Or on purpose, I don't know.
Well, who leaves it in the way?
It wasn't on the way. I mean, the cars do come with a steering wheel and it does steer, you know? In case anybody's curious what this for, the steering wheel is
That's a minute. You still want me to keep recording?
Yeah, that's enough for it. And then we're just gonna spray paint them with some Rust-Oleum. 2 times cover. You could have got some better one, but at least you got the acrylic enamel.
That's not good or what?
Yeah, acrylic enamel is pretty nice. So we're just gonna wait for them to dry a little bit more, so they won't be moistured. And then we're gonna slap them on this bad boy right there, the 7G. We're gonna call it the 7G, or you wanna call it the 7Q? U.
What? Oh,
U. The 7Q. The Q mobile. We're gonna call this one the Q mobile right there. That's the EcoBoost over there. That's the boosted Mustang. And that one's the cammed Mustang. We're gonna show more about that one some other day. And the boosted Kia over there. He's in the car club called Tuxik. So let's paint. Right, we're ready to spray. I got my mask on and everything, PPE equipment on.
hold on, let's get the close view.
Bugging there, anyways. Alright, well, we'll wait for that. I'll give you a little sneak peek of the new.
You're gonna close, start there.
The new project. It was my old project car from back in 2017. Nice enough. Do another video some other day.
Just a sneak peek.
Yeah, it's a little. Here's the second coat. Getting rid of that little pieces right there. We're almost getting it. We're almost getting it. This ain't no professional paint job. It'll look nice though. It'll look nice. All right. Fifth coat. Looking a little bit better. I don't know, dust or something. Checking my holes though. Pretty cool. Investment for a garage. Pretty cool holes. Not the most heavy duty thing ever, but look at that. Check it out. Go stretch it all the way out. Look at that. Look at that. 50 feet. The best garage hose you could ever have. And then it shrinks. Open it all the way. And it's gonna shrink when you let the water out.
Oh, I let the car.
It's all good. Look at that. Look at that.
What the hell?
And then you just disconnect it from here and just take it that way and just fold it and just put it away.
Hey, what if in the summer I wash cars at your house? I'll give you.
Here's the final product. Looks pretty good for being rattle can. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. It's a rattle can, bro. But I'm gonna wait for it to dry for like 3 days and then we'll put it on this bad boy.
Oh, we're gonna leave it.
We got the side ones done over there. Now we're gonna paint this one. Or should we leave this one white? Now we're just gonna paint this one and be done. And we'll have this on in an hour. Little break. Right there. He's not even working, but he got it. Almost done. I think I'm done with the painting. I don't think we're gonna need to put a clear coat. I think that one comes with clear already.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Cause you gotta wait for it to dry. Like we got this 3M tape. That's my old neighbor right there with that black stallion over there. He calls it the Black Magnum. But yeah, we got this 3M tape for this. It's gonna be hella flush. Hey, come get it so I can install it, bro.
You already gonna take off the other thing?
Huh?
You already gonna take off the?
Yeah, I'm sticking on. You're gonna have to be on the other side because I can't. Yeah.
Wait. Oh, there. Yeah.
There, cause ready for installation with this 3M tape right here. They got the motorsport style. And I can't put this up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. fingerprints, but that's for DNA motoring.
Record.
Hey, you gonna be my assistant? He wants to be over here getting paid.
Bitch, I don't have.
Finish this. Got pin right there. Finish this spoiler install. What kind of spoiler is it, anyways?
I don't know. This is OEM.
I don't know if anybody knows what kind of spoiler that thing is. Drop it in the comments. There, we're gonna do a clutch install on that black Magnum over there. The black Mustang. We're gonna do a clutch install. Gears. What else? Under drive pulleys. And that green one right there, I just teased them a little bit, not yet. And I'm gonna let them know about that. That silver one's still out of service. And